Hello, welcome to this program for Design and Technology. Our topic for today is electricity. We are going to discuss about what is electricity, how important it is in our everyday life, and how it is produced. Imagine coming at home at night and putting the switch on for light. What should normally happen? Yes, the first option is that the bulb or tube light you have at home lights up. However, a second option exists. What happens if the bulb doesn't light up? It might be completely dark, and this may cause some difficulty to see and walk around. Let us now go a few steps further. Imagine now having no electricity for a few days. What can possibly happen? I will give you a few seconds to ponder over it. Yes, it might be difficult to charge your phone or your laptop. The TV might be off, and goodbye to your favorite programs. All these examples make us realize how dependent we are on electricity. In fact, electricity is present in our everyday life and in several forms. Let us look at some other examples. The electric kettle saves a lot of time, and washing clothes without the washing machine might be a lengthy and tedious process for many of us. Did you ever ask yourself, where does electricity come from? Electricity is produced in different power stations like thermal power stations, hydroelectric power stations, and wind farms. The power stations use different sources of energy and convert them into electricity. Electricity is then transported through grid lines to industries and houses for consumption. Now let us look at some different sources of energy that are used for producing electricity. Some of them are heavy oil, gas, coal, and biogas. However, alternative sources like solar energy and wind energy are also used to produce electricity in Mauritius. So, how do we define electricity? We can define electricity as the flow of electrons. And the movement of electrons causes a current to flow through an electrical conductor. In our next video, we are going to discuss more about electrical conductors. To summarize, today we saw how electricity is important, how electricity comes to our houses, and we also discussed about some sources of energy used to generate electricity. To summarize, today we saw how electricity is produced, how electricity comes to our houses, and we also discussed some sources of energy used to generate electricity. We have now come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye and see you soon.